In today's video, we are diving into how to set a password policy in Okta so that your user passwords never expire. Let's get started. Log into the Okta admin console. Now you will want to go to Security and then click on Authenticators. You will see different password policies. Click on Actions for Password Authenticator and select Edit. Select the one that's currently applied to your users. Here's a crucial step. Look for password age and make sure the option Password expires after X days is unchecked. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. If a new rule was added, hit Edit to view the rule settings here. Set the user's IP settings to anywhere. Alternatively, you can select specific zones where your users will log in from, and there you have it. You've just set up a password policy in Okta that ensures user passwords don't expire. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.